Hello students, so now we will be doing the first sum from exercise 4.1. So question 1 says construct the following quadrilaterals and the first sub question is quadrilateral ABCD where AB is 4.5 centimeter, BC is 5.5 centimeter, CD is 4 centimeter, AD is 6 centimeter and AC is 7 centimeter. Okay students, so the first step to do before doing any construction sum is to draw a rough figure. So we will draw a rough figure first for this quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, we know that it is a quadrilateral and a quadrilateral has 4 sides. So I will draw a 4-sided figure. Okay, this rough figure can be of any measure. It need not be perfect. Only thing is use a scale while drawing this figure. So I will name it A, B, C and D. Okay, now let us write all the measurements. AB is 4.5 centimeter. So 4.5 centimeter. BC is 5.5 centimeter. CD is 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter. And AD is 6 centimeter. And here they have given us one more measure, AC. So here AC will be our diagonal. So diagonal is 7 centimeter. So I will first join A and C. And the measure of AC is 7 centimeter. Okay, so our rough figure is ready. Now students, whenever we have any such figure where the 4 sides of a quadrilateral are given to us and one diagonal is given to us, we will always start our construction from the diagonal. Okay, that is we will construct the diagonal first. Here our diagonal AC is 7 centimeter. So I will first draw a diagonal of 7 centimeter. This is AC, which is 7 centimeter. Okay, now let us start doing the other sides. So we have done the AC which is 7 centimeter. Now we will first mark the arc on this figure for AD. Here we know that the measure of AD is 6 centimeter. So using a compass, we will take the measure of 6 centimeter on this compass. Okay, so this is 6 centimeter. Now your AD is 6 centimeter. Okay, so keep the compass pointer on point A and draw arc here. Okay, so this will be 6 centimeter. Now on the other side, that is CD, we have it as 4 centimeter. So I will take the measure of 4 centimeter on my compass and I will mark an arc of 4 centimeter. Okay, now students, if you look here, both these arcs are not intersecting each other. So what I will do is I will increase my arc, this arc. Okay, the first arc that I have drawn, and that is of 6 centimeter. So again I will take the measure 6 centimeter on compass. And I will increase this arc. Okay, I have extended this arc and now I got a point of intersection. Okay, and this point of intersection is our point D. So this is point D and now we will join these points A and D that will give us segment AD. So AD is 6 centimeter. And then we will join points A and C, which will give us 4 centimeter. Okay, so our half figure is done. Now we will do the later half of the figure using the similar method. So for the next segment, next side, the measurement is 4.5 centimeter. So I will take the measure of 4.5 centimeter on my compass. Okay, so this is 4.5 centimeter. Again, AB is 4.5 centimeter. So I will keep the pointer at point A and draw arc here. Okay, this is 4.5 centimeter. The next length is 5.5 centimeter. BC is 5.5 centimeter. So I will take the measurement of 5.5 centimeter. Okay, and I will draw arc from point C. So we got this point of intersection. Now we will join these points. And this point is our point B. So we will mark B over here, and our AB is 4.5 centimeter. And BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. And this our figure is ready.